pregnancy, no woman should ever feel that abortion is the best or only option. Abortion advocates want women to believe abortion is their only option, and today we have another message, a hopeful message, a powerful message for women facing